In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Razer Gold gift card. First, open your browser and go to gold.razer.com. Next, sign in to your Razer ID account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and hover over on Shop. Then, from the list, click on Redeem Razer Gold Pin. A small window will pop up asking you to create a wallet, choose the currency you want, check the Terms and Conditions box, and click Confirm. Now, in the next window, look for Razer Gold Pin option and make sure it's selected. Then, you'll see Enter PIN/voucher code option just below the Razer Gold Pin option. Enter your Razer Gold gift card code exactly as it appears. Click Confirm or Redeem. The balance will be added to your Razer Gold wallet. You can now use Razer Gold to make in-game purchases or buy digital content. And that's it. That's how you redeem a Razer Gold gift card. Thanks for watching.